I think the whole community is waiting for like proper AR glasses already for so long, and Snap has done a lot of their homework. They did their homework. In my ideal world, it would make the real world less cluttered.
The real world can be like more minimalist.
Minimalistic, yes.
Where did your interest in AR first begin?
I first started out with game design and VR development. I just realized how easy it is to share my work and to make it accessible to people, and yeah, I got really interested in that, and I'm doing it since then. What about you? How did you get started?
I was working at a VR startup, but at the time I was thinking about AR is more interesting. I began experimenting with mixed reality capture at the time. Finally bring my two brush painting into AR for the first time, and then I continue from there.
That's super interesting that we both started with VR and kind of transitioned into AR.
Yeah.
How would you describe your style of work and what inspires you?
I got a lot of inspiration from my culture. Right now I creating things a lot on traditional dance for anyone to be accessible from anywhere in the world. What about you?
Since I come from a game design background, I really like gamified lenses and mini game lenses. Also like to experiment with machine learning and like these AI components, just to make it really fun and intuitive.
Cute, colorful, and interactive.
Yes.
How did you get involved with Snap?
I was first working at a media agency and built sponsored lenses for clients. And since I was also building a lot of personal lenses for fun, and then I got into the Snap Lens network, and yeah, it's been good.
Oh, nice. A few years back, I was doing a lot of workshop on dance avatar. So I get like students from university and school to have themselves scan. It's a very simple workshop, but it gets people into AR. This is how I get into Snap partner program.
So what does the future of AR look like to you?
I imagine that like we walk on the street and we see AR in real environments where public content can be interact together with other people. I'm really excited about the shared experience that we can create on the spectacles.
The vision that we all share, that AR is not something that's inside of your phone, but you wear the glasses and you can experience it all around you with your hands to interact with the content. It's not bound to physics. You can make like fantastical things that make the augmented world really exciting.